How to fix an error encountered during authentication, Roblox Error Code 429. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Roblox Error Code 429, which is an authentication error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So this error can occur when you're trying to log in into your Roblox. So let's say that you're trying to log in into your Roblox application itself. And if that's giving you an issue, what you can do is you can simply log in to Roblox on your PC. So that is your website. So head over to roblox.com and then try to log in into your account. And after you do that, check if you can log in or not. If you're able to log in into your website's Roblox, if that's the case, your problem should get fixed eventually. If that does not fix your issue, you can just open up Roblox on your mobile phone and try it again as well. If that does not work again, you can just turn on your VPN before you log in into your Roblox. So you can use any VPN that you want. There are a lot of VPNs available. So you can just turn on your VPN, connect to a really popular place, like where there are good services and stuff like that, and then open up your Roblox. So after you open up your Roblox using a VPN, try to change your password. And after you do that, your problem should get fixed and you should be logged in into your account. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.